Kubernetes versus Docker. Understanding the difference between these two technologies is essential for anyone working with containers. Many beginners think they are competing tools, but they actually work together in the containerization ecosystem. Let's explore how they differ and complement each other. Docker is a containerization platform that packages applications along with their dependencies into lightweight, portable containers. It enables developers to build container images, ship them to registries, and run them consistently across any environment. Think of Docker as the tool that creates and runs individual containers on your machine. Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It handles multiple containers across clusters, ensuring high availability, load balancing, and automated recovery. Kubernetes manages containers at scale, making it ideal for production environments. The key difference between Docker and Kubernetes lies in their purpose. Docker creates and runs individual containers on a single host machine. Kubernetes, on the other hand, orchestrates and manages hundreds or even thousands of containers across multiple hosts. Docker is about containerization, while Kubernetes is about orchestration. Docker provides several core capabilities. It packages applications into standardized container images. It provides the container runtime environment to execute these containers. Docker enables consistent deployment across development and production environments. It also offers lightweight isolation using shared kernel resources, making containers much faster than traditional virtual machines. Kubernetes brings powerful orchestration capabilities to the table. It provides automated deployment and scaling of containers based on demand. It includes self-healing features with automatic restarts and replacements when containers fail. Kubernetes handles load balancing and service discovery across clusters. It also manages resource optimization at scale, ensuring efficient use of infrastructure. Docker and Kubernetes are not competitors, they work together. Docker builds container images and provides the runtime environment. Kubernetes then orchestrates these Docker containers at scale. In a typical workflow, Docker creates the containers, and Kubernetes deploys, manages, and scales them across your infrastructure. They form a complete containerization solution. Let's recap the key takeaways. Docker creates containers, Kubernetes manages them. They are complementary technologies, not competing alternatives. Kubernetes uses Docker or other container runtimes as its container engine. Understanding this relationship is fundamental to working with modern containerized applications. Together, they provide a powerful platform for building and deploying scalable applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.